Well, hello Glue Troopers, Max of Max's Models here. Those of you who saw me do the unboxing of the gifts from Mr. Van Osh and his collection may recall that he gave me 3 Comet models of the Grumman S2F or Stoof. 2 of them were the larger scale and 1 was a smaller scale. And I thought I would compare them. Now I built the one that came in a bag that didn't have decals, and good news is I understand the decals are on their way, so hooray! But I thought I would compare the 2 that were boxed and see what was inside. Well, much to my surprise, although I expected the smaller kit to be radically different, they're actually almost carbon copies of each other. The wings go together the same way. In fact, the only thing other than size that was different between them is that the smaller scale model has the magnetic anomaly detector, or the rod that goes out the back of the airplane, and the radome out of the belly fixed instead of movable like on the larger kit. The radome is extended and the magnetic anomaly detector is retracted, and they don't move. They're molded in place. But other than that, the 2 kits go together exactly the same way. By the way, as a quick side note, I had been referring to that radome as the sonar tub. I thought it was part of the sonar system. It's not. It's actually a surface radar for finding ships or even submarine periscopes that are up on the surface. It extends 30 inches, and apparently the radar is very sensitive and very good at its job. The airplane was even equipped with a sniffer to see if it could sense diesel fumes from a submarine that might be snorkeling. I watched a documentary on the airplane and I was impressed. I did not realize just how sophisticated the equipment on board was. But these 2 kits are essentially, one's a miniature of the other one, and they even have the same decal sheet. So I just thought that was kind of cool. Thought you guys might enjoy seeing that. Well, okay, guys, that's all I have for right now. Just a little quick video for the morning. You take care of yourselves. We'll talk at you later, and as always, model on.